How to get flavor with a round build inside the Gear RTA. How to get flavor out of the Gear RTA, blah blah. How to get flavor from the Gear RTA with a round build. Canthal, Nichrome. One or the other. Alright, the build I have in here right now is Nichrome, 3mm wrap diameter on the inside, and I think it's 12 wraps. 26 gauge Nichrome 80 comes out to 1.37 ohms. Vaping it at 5.49 volts, 22 watts. It's not bad. Now, you'll never get the flavor of an RDA from an RTA. It's never going to happen. I think we've been trying and trying and trying forever. Now, the reason this should have good flavor is how small it is. You can see how close the coil is to your mouth. Maybe. See it? You know, that's not doing very good, is it? Alright, I've got it ready for you to see. You see how close that bad boy is to your mouth? I mean, it's right there. We're talking about the Gear, and we're talking about a round build. Okay. Now, making the diameter of the drip tip smaller should help. You know what? Hold on a minute. I'm going to go ahead and use this drip tip for the purposes of this video. Actually, you know what? This might be a better tip than that. It's a smaller diameter, and it is. It actually is a better tip. The flavor is already better just using that drip tip. I'm going to put a different build in this, and I will be back. There's the build I was using. It's Nichrome 26. I ran out of my Supima cotton, or I didn't run out of it, but I'm running out, and I didn't want to put it in this RTA, but I'm gonna now because it burned in the middle. Only the ends were in there. The middle ones were out. It was burned out. So that's gonna affect flavor. That's what happens. And that was the cotton everybody uses, the Japanese junk. Okay, I called it junk, okay? Personally, I think it is. Especially if it was going to do something like that. Vaping it at 22 watts and it did that? Come on. Okay, I'm going to drop it down. I'm going to use 24 gauge Nichrome. And I'm making this video especially for My Entertainment, who commented in the last video wanting to know why he's not getting good flavor out of his gear. So, I mean, of course this is for everybody, but I'm hoping to help him and anybody else that's having the same problem. Alright, so 24 gauge Nichrome, that's what he told me he uses. I've got two separate pieces. Put them inside my thingamabobber here. My, oh yeah, I'm dropping it down to 2.5 inner diameter. And let's commence, shall we? Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wraps. Oh, and this one actually I probably need another half a wrap. Alright. Whoops. I messed that one up. That's okay. It's fixable. I'll show you exactly how. Okay. Put it back in. Alright. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's focus that in. I overlapped it right on the end there, you can see. Alright, I'm going to pull that out though. I'm just going to pull it out. Maybe. Jeez. Oh my god, what a pain in the butt. My fingers are in the way though. Darn it. I'm sure making a mess of this, ain't I? There we go. Now I pulled those out. And now I want to pull this part out too. Because, you know, you can see how funky dunky it's looking. There we go. There. Okay. There we go. Okay. Actually, I want to see how close this is. You know what? Let's change. Let's change that. Okay. I want to see if this will fit in there. And yes, it does fit. So, I'm going to go ahead and pause this and load this in there. Be right back. Alright, I've got it built. Here, let's bring it up. Six wraps, giving it 12 wraps. 24 gauge nichrome at 0.14 ohms. Okay, we got the build. We got it wicked. Let's put some juice in it. Now, I purposefully put this juice in it because it's mild in flavor. And so I want to see how good the flavor can be. Now, you always want to make sure you got some room like that so that it'll wick. You don't want to stuff it too tight in there, and you don't want to stuff it too loose either. I mean, that's just how RTAs are. It's part of the fun of RTAs. Okay, let's get some vapor going and see what it looks like. Yeah, I'm telling you what, that should have some pretty good flavor. That's at 66 watts, 1.8 ohms. All right. Close off the airflow. Open her up on top. I'll put some liquid in there. Open the airflow back up. That should be good to go because I had already primed it. Let's vape it. There it is. It's got some flavor. It's not muted anymore. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, dude. Wow. Wow. Man. That's what I'm saying, dude. Yeah, that's very, very nice. Very nice. Now, you've got 2 wire that you're making into 1 coil. I had a brain fart. It's called a parallel build, right? Which makes me able to lower my ohms, right? I can even drop this down. Let's drop it down to 50 watts because I like a warm vape. Yeah, still good. All right, my man. There you go, brother. Let me know if that works for you. It really should. Man, I don't think I need to go any further. You can use Camthol and it'll still be good. You can use 26 gauge even, which will bring the ohms up. You don't want that. Anywho, sorry. My entertainment, especially for you, buddy, and anybody else having trouble getting flavor from the Gear RTA. This is Dan the Man signing out. You know what? I'm going to raise it up a little more before I sign out. Because I like that warm vape. It's nice. Peace, my brothers and my sisters.